First, let me drag this folder to the sidebar so that it is easily accessible. You don't have to do it. Let's go back to app.js and understand what class actually is. Class is a ES6 feature. It is just like a regular function but with additional features such as constructor and render. Render is a special method available for us to use in React. It is one of many lifecycle hooks in React. We will talk about lifecycle hooks later. By the way, here you can see imported app.css and logo on top. To make it easier for you to understand, I'm converting this class to regular function. Let's see how that works. Let me copy this whole return block and paste inside app component. Comment this out. Let's save it. And yeah, our app is still running. Awesome. Let's make a small change. It works. So you saw that class and functions do the similar job. The difference comes when we need additional features. We then need to use classes.